Hello everyone and welcome to Paris.
In a few moments we will introduce you to a hotel.
But first let's look at some impressions of the city.
Paris is a great city with countless sights. It's also the seat of many large companies. A lot of business is done here. But when night falls in, you have to sleep somewhere.
So let's introduce you to a hotel. This is the Hotel Voco in Clichy, Paris. It is located near Porte De Clichy in the north of Paris. International brands such as BIC and L'Oréal are nearby.
The Voco is a renovated 4-star hotel and part of the IHG Group.
The hotel's restaurant and lobby are located on the first floor. Breakfast is also served here. A nice working area is also available.
They even have power connections on the table.
But not only well-being at work is taken care of, good cocktails are also served here.
After the drink, we're a little tired.
So let's inspect the rooms.
This is what the corridors look like.
They look the same on all floors. Here an example, the corridor of floor 4.
The room which we show you, on the other hand, is located on the top floor. This room has a small reading corner. The bed is rather small for 2 people. We didn't measure it, but it's probably only 1.4 meters wide.
On the top floor there are some rooms that have something like a balcony.
But don't expect too much, it's really tiny. Other equipment includes wardrobe, clothes rail and a safe.
There is also a kettle with powder coffee and tea.
Even a small refrigerator is available. The house also provides a daily bottle of water. A small work desk with stool and a TV complete the furnishings.
The bathroom is functionally furnished. Soap dispensers are complimentary.
But unfortunately, they will not be refilled for a longer stay. It should also be noted that the shower is rather tight.
Time to sleep. If only it weren't for the Parisian blue light organizations which leave turned on their horns all night.
Please be aware that the hotel is located directly on the highway and the noise in the rooms towards the street is not insignificant.
That's it.
We hope this hotel review helped you.
Enjoy your stay in Paris and have a look at our other videos.